Conspiracy theorist? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I couldn't. For all I know, I could be over exaggerating or something like that. Bolt. Does anybody know that name watching me right now? Bolt. A lot of Jamaicans and Caribbean people who watch this show right now know exactly who I'm talking about. But for all the Americans, I think you might not know what took place. Thanks to this gentleman, I am waving my Jamaican flag high today. Usain Bolt has beaten the 100 meters world record, running it in 9.72 seconds. Ecstatic I should be, yes, but I'm not, for the simple fact that I believe that he has been cheated and robbed of the media coverage in which he deserves. This seems to be a common problem, Jamaica. I was watching a news program the day after the record was broken, and this news program didn't mention him in the headlines. They mentioned him in sports at the end of the sports section, and they mentioned this gentleman after they mentioned baseball, they mentioned golf, they mentioned ultimate fighting, and hockey. They decided to say, oh, by the way, the world 100 meters record has been broken. You're gonna mention this. This should be headlines. We're months away from Beijing, China, the Olympics, and somebody has beaten the 100-meter world record, and this isn't the topic of conversation, especially with all the heat that China has been getting in terms of Tibet. Wouldn't this be a good thing to take the attention off of Tibet? To say, not to say that I want to draw attention away from Tibet, but you have to understand the way the media works, you know, they're propaganda machines, you know. I'm only going to play this story if that story is there. Let me tell you something to the media out there. I cannot be bought. I speak what's on my mind and I tell the truth. You have robbed Bolt. Bolt deserves better than what you have given him. I want to see somebody else in the world get up and run as fast as he did. We have the two fastest friggin' men in the world, two, and you have robbed Bolt of his chance to be a celebrity, a superstar. Why is this? Why is this? Why have you robbed him? That's unfair. I think it's biased, and I'm completely burning my bridge right now as I speak. But you know what? That media bridge to success in the United States, as far as I'm concerned, you can flush it down the fucking toilet. If I become the biggest celebrity in Miami or California or wherever, if I don't better my country or where I come from, it's all in fucking vain. Shame on you, media. Shame on you. You deserve to give Bolt better coverage than that. Faster than the man ran the 100 meters, you mentioned him at the end of sports. This is a 100 meters world record. This is what people talk about for years to come. But you mentioned him after hockey, you mentioned him after fighting, and you mentioned, as a matter of fact, I was playing golf yesterday. Look at this tan. I have a friggin' tan line. I was playing golf. I was on the tee box, and I said to the guy on the box with me, a fella guy, I said, boy, what do you think about Jamaica beating the world record 100 meters? I didn't know that took place. Where, when, how? And he wanted to know everything about it. This is news to them and this is news to us. You have robbed Jamaica. You are being unfair and you are being biased, and this man both deserves better. I can burn my bridge. I don't care. As long as my people stay loyal to me and the Jamaican public stay loyal to me, because they know I speak the truth. you need to do a special on both. Beijing is coming up and he has the world record. That's sad.